This is a video where I watch Tomorrow's Teachings and Steak on YouTube, part 2, and there's a part 1 on my YouTube channel if you guys want to see it. So this video that I did was 8 minutes long, so let's see if that would take me 8 minutes for this video that I'll be doing right now. So part 2 wasn't that bad. Part 1 was good, a little bit. You guys know how I react to to every YouTuber. Like Tomorrow's Teachings is a official YouTube channel where every YouTuber writes a script down and apply it to tomorrowsteachings.com. That's what Steak and his whole family did. I wish that my volume on my video that I did